Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off location services on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on privacy here, and here you can see the option of location services. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see the option of never. You simply need to click on that option and click on open settings, and here you can simply turn off the location services. So here you can see the location. You simply need to click on don't allow, and after that you are able to turn off. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can turn off location services on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.